Alright guys, so today is special because I've got a guest, of course, to teach me how to make this roti canai. And she's a dear friend of mine, super talented, beautiful young lady. Ladies and gentlemen, Nabilah.
Hello everyone. Oh my god, for a second there I thought you were talking about me. Like I'm gonna face my biggest fear.
No, me!
I'm like, why are you scared of me? What did I ever do to you?
No.
Thankfully, it wasn't me.
Yes, so we've been close friends for a very long time, and I've always been very jealous of, well, jealous is a very strong word, envious, yeah, of her being able to make roti canai. So I called her up and said, hey look, you've got to teach me how to make roti canai. So this is it guys, let's go. Alright, so Anis, tell me how we going to do this roti canai?
Roti canai mama or roti canai mummy?
Roti canai mummy sounds a lot more interesting.
No, only because like kat Penang kan, the laki is the mama, perempuan is the mummy.
Oh, is it?
That's why it's a valid question.
Right.
So kalau you buat is roti canai mama, kalau I mama ke? We'll see about that.
We'll
But kalau I buat is mummy lah.
Okay.
So we want 3 cups of flour.
3 cups of flour.
Okay, so this is just a rough measurement, right?
So it's the Mamak measurement, nah?
It's the mummy lah.
Mummy measurement, okay.
So you want to be generous with the salt because it's just tepung kan? Now water, cold water preferably.
Okay.
Jangan hot water, and then the condensed milk.
Okay.
So what the condensed milk does is it gives that nice caramelization when you cook the roti. Right.
So is this like, so whether is it roti bomb or roti
It's the
kosong?
same base.
It's the same base.
It's the same base.
Okay.
Roti bomb, roti kosong, roti tisu, roti banjir, roti sarang burung, roti apa semua.
All same,
It's
huh?
all the same.
Okay.
So 1 egg yolk.
Right.
Okay. And then we're gonna mix it
So
into
just
a dough.
go in with the hands,
Go in with the hands.
Got it.
For roti like roti canai, because we're not using bread flour.
Yeah.
So it's not high protein, it's just regular,
Regular
right?
flour.
So that's why you need to work it a bit more. Okay? So see, just now it doesn't look like it's very lichin, very smooth.
Very lichin.
But now, see, you just have to
it's getting
stick it.
smoother.
Yeah. So you just do that, and then if you want, you can also throw
Whoa.
it around. If you're angry at people, it's like a good form
Stress reliever.
stress
Yeah.
reliever. But so essentially, you're looking to have this, okay? And press it,
It comes back up.
comes back up. Beautiful. So now we're gonna cut it into 8.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're gonna shape them into tiny little balls. This part is so important that dia jadi ball and dia tak ada like crease.
Oh,
like
it doesn't
fold.
have creases.
You don't want that, okay? So you can start by pinching the bottom first.
I got
Okay.
creases. We're making balls, guys. We're making balls with Nabilah. How do you fix the crease? Oh, so you just
Pinch
push it in and
You pinch it. Kalau ada sikit tak apa, but not big like folds. So now, in this bowl, we want to put oil. And you want to cover the balls with margarine, okay? This is so that the dough doesn't form... yes, and doesn't form a skin. A dry skin. So that's why. And this is also going to help with the stretching. So once you've covered the dough with the margarine like that, you just pop it in the oil. You just kind of want to.
And it has to be margarine again?
Yes. You cannot do butter won't burn.
Oh yeah, that's
because
true.
of the
fat
solids.
Alright, so we've got some
ready ones.
Ready doughs.
Yes.
Okay.
That I made.
This would have to be 4 hours minimum. Minimum 4 hours.
So the longer you keep it, the easier it is to stretch. Okay?
Take note, guys. The longer you keep it, the easier it is to stretch.
Okay. So I'm going to show you one first. Okay? So we're going to take it and then macam mamak sikit lah. Okay?
Watch the seafood.
And
right?
menyesal right away.
I got that some splatter on my hand. Okay.
Okay. We're going to use the bottom of our palm.
Okay.
okay, the bottom part of our palm here,
Okay.
to just press the side down.
All right.
Okay.
So we want the middle thicker than the sides.
Thicker than the sides,
Right.
yes.
Okay.
And this is because that is the part that is going to stretch.
Right.
Right hand at the bottom.
Right.
Okay, 4 fingers at the bottom. Left hand at the top. Okay, the
Thumb at the bottom.
thumb at the bottom. And then you're going to flip it. So as you're flipping it, you're stretching.
Right.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yep, I understand.
So like this, and then you pull.
Okay.
You see how I'm pulling?
So you pull with your left hand.
Yes, you just...
Okay.
And it's okay kalau koyak, it's okay, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay? And if it gets like this and you feel like you can no longer stretch, like you can no longer flip,
Yeah.
you just stretch manually.
Okay.
So you just... So that we can do the variations.
Lah.
Okay?
So basically as thin as we can.
As thin as we can. And then...
This is almost like see-through.
Yeah. And then you want to pull one edge and then pull it up like that.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're gonna... This is roti canai lah. And then tuck it at the bottom.
Okay.
And then we're gonna rest that. You're gonna rest that for 10 to 15 minutes before you can flatten it
Right.
and make roti canai lah. Okay. Your turn.
This is gonna...
You can do it. You can do it. Okay. And
Okay.
then kalau you just put some oil, just oil helps make it easier untuk flip.
We've got this. Okay, so center first and then sides, kan?
Yeah.
Wow, this feels...
Nice.
It does feel nice.
It's like, it's not like Play-Doh because it's slippery.
Yeah. 4 fingers under, right?
Yes.
One on the outside.
Yes. And if you're
Nervous?
Begin.
Yes, I am nervous.
for beginners, just don't have to flip it so high up.
Right.
You don't have to go like, so you just do like,
Just practice the motion first, like get the form.
yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Well,
then move.
What a lipat.
So it's okay. It's okay.
Then I move this side.
Yeah. So your hand here. So you have to keep like rotating it.
All right. So
Yeah.
tango with this baby.
Yes. 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 Now it's good. Now it's a bit nipis certain places.
Yeah.
So just stretch it
Just stretch
normally.
it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull it. Pull the sides. So see, even when you want to pull, you kind of like pull it like that.
Right.
So you give air and it stretches gently. Technical kan?
Technical. Technical.
See? Okay, so yang ni, like this. Okay, do you want to try and make the roti canai first, or you want to try and do a variation like roti canai? Okay lah, we'll try lah satu roti canai. Okay,
satu,
then you just pull it. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Tightly.
Tightly.
It has to be tight. Yeah. Yes. This is what you want. You want to try and incorporate some air in it.
Into the hole.
Yes. So that's what is going to create that soft, nipis, garing thing. Okay, like this. You got it. You got the motion already.
Trying to be a bit ambitious.
It's good. It's good. You just move this. Yes. No. It's okay. This is fixable.
Gaya mesti ada.
Yes. Gaya mesti ada.
Whatever you're doing, it's all in the gaya first.
Yes.
Wow, this feels even weirder.
Yeah, it's a bit hard because it will kecil balik. But yeah, that's why they only do this right before they cook it.
Right, so it
Right?
actually needs
Yeah, you need to
rested
rest after you flip it.
Like, apa lagi roti mau? Roti kosong ada, roti telur ada, roti bawang ada, roti sardin ada, roti tisu ada, tebar ada.
Roti sarang burung.
Roti sarang burung. So the sarang burung is basically...
It's just, okay, I will show you. I'm going to show you. we're gonna put it here.
Okay,
and
here.
Then we're gonna smack it. It's
Smack
really
it?
hot, yeah. Yes.
Ooh.
Good, done.
Ooh.
That's it, that's it.
That's it, guys.
That's
Look at how fluffy this is.
Look at that. Yeah, look at how
Let me grab a plate.
nice and fluffy.
Woo! Spicy!
Tepuk dia. Sekali. Okay.
Woo!
Oh, panas, 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 panas.
Speed.
Yes. You want it sort of rectangular for the sarang burung. Yeah. And then we're just gonna cut it into two. Okay? Just like the first step, the second step tadi. Okay? We're gonna do that. Oh, kau tergolek, aku tergolek kau, ha?
One egg, 2 eggs?
We are making a small one, so let's do one.
Okay.
But if you do a full roti,
Full-size roti?
2 eggs.
2 eggs. Got it.
This is what sarang burung is.
Okay.
And then you want to cut it to
And then
see
show
the
the
egg
yolk.
yolk. Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, so this is Roti Canai, Roti Sarang Burung, Mamak style, Roti Sarang Burung,
Our style.
our style. Sarang Burung in English would be
Bird's nest.
bird's nest paratha. Alright. Cheers, Anis.
Cheers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Cheers.
Oh, macam tu pun boleh. Okay. So good.
Nice, crispy on the outside, fluffy, soft inside.
And you know how we added the susu pekat, right? The condensed milk. It does add that nice sweetness. Don't forget about the sarang burung.
So,
Okay.
so we should
Mix it all
mix
up.
all up.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go with
On the telur.
Alright.
Yeah.
A bit of dal in. Okay.
Egg.
A little bit of sambal.
The egg pula dah sambal.
Sambal. Because I love me some sambar.
Yes.
There we go.
Ooh, look at that. Whoa, that was good. That was
So,
good. The roti canai pun crispy. The roti is so crispy.
yeah.
The pigan.
So you have all this with the dal. You sort of
Dip
get
it
this
and the
dip
egg.
in this egg.
My goodness. Oh my god, I want to steal some. I want to do exactly what Sherson did because I also barbaric.
There we go. Dip it, get it in there.
God. We have the best food ever.
Exactly.
Like in Malaysia, the best. It is so good. We're just going to keep
Like
going.
guys, I'm
Don't
sorry.
mind us. Just make sure you guys try the recipe and tag us.
Yes. Guys, this has been awesome. And this is our cute little Merdeka dedication recipe. Yeah, happy Merdeka to every one of you. Happy Independence Day.
Yes.
And make sure
Happy Hari Malaysia as well.
Happy Hari Malaysia as well. Correct. If you've enjoyed the recipe, guys, please do click the like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow Nabilah on her Instagram, on her Facebook and YouTube. They're all her name, Nabilah. Am I right?
Anis_Nabilah.
Anis_Nabilah. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys next week, and this is the bomb.
You guys should try it.
Yes.